Chef. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vibe. Today we're making a seafood boil. So first thing we're doing, as usual, you want to hit that like button and support the channel. So I mean, there's a lot of recipes online, there's a lot of choices, but this recipe is probably my favorite. This recipe is my choice, and I know this recipe is gonna be your choice also, just for the fact that we do it a little different. So first thing we do, we put some butter in our pot. We put some Larry's seasoning salt. Put some Larry's seasoning salt, some paprika, adobio, put some garlic powder, some onion powder. Give that a little turn. We set these to the side like that. Then some green pepper. A lot of people, they don't put green pepper. We put green pepper. We get this seasoned up nicely. So we chop those up. Chop those up. Green peppers in. Couple cloves of garlic. Take a couple cloves of garlic, and we don't chop our garlic up. Take the skin off, and we just throw those in there. Give it a little stir. A whole onion. Chop up a whole onion in there. A little stir. Don't add too much water. Then you want to let that boil before you put your crab in. So you want to let that boil. Let that come to a boil. Now is the right time to hit it with some salt. A lot of people use bouillon base and stuff, but I like to use salt because I want to get that natural seafood flavors. I don't use bouillon base. Throw a couple bay leaves in there. So we put crab first. We're gonna put our crab first, right in our pot. Let them boil. As I said, we don't put too much water, so you kind of like have to stick them in there. Probably need some more water. Add some more water because you want your crabs to be covered. So you put some more water. So now is the perfect time to put in my secret ingredient, that heat. So now we're gonna put that heat in there. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3.5 Scotch bonnet pepper. And we're gonna let it come to a boil. Then we're gonna put in our lobsters. We're gonna split them in half. So we're gonna split our lobsters in half, throw them in there, let them, as we split them in half, we're gonna just throw them in and let them enjoy the festivities. So you know the deal. Hit that like button, Crazy Chef, seafood boil. This is probably the best one. This is probably gonna be the best one on there. Just because we do it right. We cook everything in there. My grandmother used to do it like this. She put the potatoes in, she put the onions, the peppers. Can't forget that green onion in there. Then you hit it with a little Cajun, spice in there. And then you let, as soon as it comes to a boil, you put that Old Bay in. So with that old, that smoke is wicked. Yeah, but we cooking it on wood, so with the wood, you get that vibe too. So, and then I have my linguica right here. So my linguica is just slowly cooking right here. Then I'm gonna chop them up and throw them in there also. But you cook it on wood, you get that vibe. You get that different type of vibe when you cook it on wood. So we opening our lobster, split them open, clean them out. Now you can take these things off. And just drop them in there. Just like that. Take those things off. Drop them in there. Don't judge me. They were born for this. Don't judge me, they were born for this. They waited their whole life so they could be someone's dinner. That's kind of mean, but that's what happened if you were a lobster. You'd wait your whole life to be someone's dinner. Throw them in there. Stir. side a little bit. Shit. Look at these guys. That's gonna give you that smoke vibe is when you put that linguica in there. Give you that smoke action.
I think Michelle was using the demonstration as them.
Now we're at the end of our seafood boil. So what we do is we take our Old Bay. That's the last thing you want to put in there. Is you want to put that Old Bay right on top. Let it just bubble for a while. Give it a little stir, and now we're ready. Now we got our crabs. Lobster. Corn. Shrimp. Look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh, look at that shrimp hanging on there. Oops.